Safety is really the fabric of the culture. Everything is centered around safety. We believe SmartDrive is the technology of the future when it comes to safety.
We made the decision to invest in video because we fully understand what this technology can do. During the pilot process, we looked at many different systems. We looked at systems that focused primarily on AI. We looked at systems that were non-monitored systems. We looked at systems that were highly complex and those that were very basic and simple. SmartDrive really stood out among its other competitors. SmartDrive triggered more events than some of the competitors. We did a side-by-side comparison. The SmartDrive would capture an event or a trigger and the other unit would not. So that was significant to us. The clarity of the videos, we were able to really see much more detail, and the ease of use. Our coaches really spoke to us concerning the ease of use for the interface for SmartDrive. I did not want to move forward with a system that was not managed or monitored. A managed service or a monitored service is important because there are so many events that happen during the course of the day.
I like SmartDrive a lot because of the video quality and the use of the dashboard. The way it is presented to the people on this side of the camera, it makes it really easy to use, separates the data nicely. The drivers like it on the opposite end because the unit itself is not overly sized, it's out of the way, it doesn't take their mind off anything. The video quality, obviously, the dashboard for the user, the standalone forward-facing camera was a big issue as well.
I cannot say enough about the support of SmartDrive. We had a rep who went above and beyond really to make us really feel good about the system, to understand the system. And trust me, we're not the easiest carrier in the world to satisfy. We can be pretty demanding.
I think when you look at the industry that we all play in today, and you look at the exposure that we have with the risk on a daily basis, if you can minimize that risk through data, why wouldn't you do it? Once you see this technology and understand the benefits to it, and your drivers understand the benefits to it, it's a no-brainer to do it. And we're excited about partnering up with SmartDrive and making this happen.